Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove your background on OBS Studio without green screen. So I hope you will install OBS Studio on your PC. Now I am going to open my browser and search OBS background remover on Google. After that, go to the first link. Now click on Go to Download button on that web page. Now you will lead to the download page. Scroll down and download OBS Background Remover Windows Installer. After that, simply double click on that and install OBS Background Remover. Now open your OBS Studio. After that, add your webcam to OBS Studio. Click on plus icon and add video capture device. Now rename video capture device if you want. Now you have to click OK twice. Now click webcam on source and select it. After that, click on filters. Now in effect filters, click on plus icon and add background remover. Now you will see my background removed. But it's not perfect. It's depend on your webcam quality. Now you have to change settings in background remover to make your webcam better. It's on your side. After that you finish it, you can add custom background to it. I'm gonna resize my webcam first and click on plus icon in source and add color source. You can choose any color. I will go with green color. After that you select your color, drag and drop your webcam to top of the list in source. Now my background was removed. Also you can see my background was green color. It's like green screen. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.